This is a tidbit about the 10 top reasons why you should purchase the rental car insurance from the rental car company. And a lot of our clients are driving around in rental cars, renting cars, families are renting cars. We're about to get on the highways and byways for Turkey Day and Christmas, and we're going to probably rent a car, or the church is going to rent a car. You know, or the Boy Scouts or the Cub Scouts or whatever, somebody's going to rent a car this year. I sent this to Jim, but the main, you can get this and read it, but the main point as an insurance agent that I tell my customers is rental car companies use these rental cars to make money. And if you drive a rental car and you wreck the rental car, they can't use that car anymore as a form of income. Well, that's called loss of income for them. It's a loss that is typically found on a commercial policy or a commercial automobile policy. Well, most of you drive personal automobile cars and you have a personal automobile policy. Well, that coverage is not going to cover the loss of income for that rental car once it gets wrecked. The rental car company will try to charge you for that. They will try to, you know, if they can't get it out of you or your insurance company, they can actually sue you for that. Had a case in point. Someone rented a bus and they wrecked the bus and they thought they could put the bus on their insurance. The church, this is a church example. And they should have bought the insurance from the rental car company. And I don't know how much they made a day on the bus, maybe $50, $60, $70. Well, the bus was out of service for 2 months because they had to get it fixed. They tried to charge them that money. So there are a lot of other reasons why to buy their coverage, but that's one of the main ones. The second one is, it doesn't show up on your insurance. If you buy their insurance and you have an accident, it's going to go on their insurance. You give them the key and walk away. Period. Period. I had a cousin in the military, came home on leave back in 1989, came home, rented a car, didn't buy the rental car coverage. He and his buddies went out partying in Atlanta. His buddy was driving the car, totaled the car. His insurance company did not pay for that. He got stuck. He was 22 years old, got out of the military. He bought a car that was wrecked that he didn't want to buy. He ended up having to pay $20,000 for a car. So those are some bad cases, but in a nutshell, pay the $9 to $10 a day, or whatever it is. Buy the rental car company's coverage. Something happens to the car, give them their keys and walk away.